Here's a definition I want us to work from. Okay, so race is a social, historical, invented concept, right? It's based upon these perceived differences in human bodies, these perceived differences, right? And then validated via cultural and material economies or what have you, right? So what does that mean? All right, so tell me your name again.
Akila.
Akila, like Akila the bee? How many times have you heard that? Do you hate when people say that?
Yes.
I'm so sorry. And
Jasmine.
And Jazz, can you all stand up for us? Okay, can we all give them a round of applause? Go ahead and have a seat. That's just a prize I like to give to students when they get these 4 questions correct. And so you won the grand prize for today's class. Thank you. Thank you. Moving forward. So now let's get into what you all are here for. So a lot of you maybe have read the article for today. How many of you read the article for today? Be honest. Just be honest. A couple of you did, okay? So a central idea in this article, right, is valuing the voice that students of color bring to the classroom, right? So as a person of color, I can bring my story to this classroom and help you understand some things about race that you may or may not quite understand, okay? So here's my story. And some of you have heard this, so I'm sorry that it's a repeat for some of you. Hopefully it's better the second time around. But listen to this. This is my story, and I call it 4th grade, Florida, and the Keys. Okay? Alright, so here's the story. 4th grade, I was attending Jane A. Neal. Anybody ever heard of that school? 83rd and Calumet, south side of Chicago, right? Now when I say this school is racially segregated, I mean that there are only black students that attend this school. In the year that I was attending, 4th grade, and currently today. Okay? Now, there's some white administrators, there's some Latino teachers, maybe, okay? But this is a black space in terms of school, right? So that was my background, right? I looked around the corner from this school, my community was entirely black. That was my experience, right? The 90s, right? So I'm thinking like, people still use the word colored? Okay, that's one thing, right? And then I like never really thought about like what it meant to be a black male outside of Chicago, right? So my whole environment, my school, my neighborhood, my church, all black, right? And so I'm not thinking about like what it means to be black outside of that context because that's the lens that I have, right? So I was taken back by that.